Thanks to Gary Twigf of Quality Boats, you have made my backyard, my driveway, to work. No different than anyone else. Off we go to the office. Our Regal 28 Express. Bought it brand new from Quality Boats in June of 2017. 1 year later and 545 hours, it runs like the day we got it. Absolutely beautiful. The inside is flawless, clean, all taken care of. Coffee machine, beds. I mean, absolutely immaculate. I have the boat detailed once a month, washed every week. Every Thursday afternoon or Friday, the boat is cleaned for the weekend. Sometimes it's cleaned right after the weekend, depends on how the weekend went. But yeah, this is the route we chose to take to go to work every day. And we meaning Buddy and I. He's my partner right here. Say hello, Buddy. There's nothing like this form of transportation, because right now everyone's on 41 battling that Monday morning blues and traffic and congestion, and we have clear sailing ahead. Oh my gosh, there's a boat in front of us. That's as close to a traffic jam as we're going to see today. Absolutely beautiful morning. If you live in Florida and you have anywhere to go, connect the dots with water. We have plenty of it here. All right, let's take it up on plane and we'll get back with you in just a little bit. Happy Monday. Perfect takeoff.